All right, Tuesday, 14:05:05 seconds, year 2024, 7th month, July, 23rd day. And this fucker ain't got fucking flip phone for fucking. But this is the only way to get the camera on video screen right here. So the brother's got a wonderful video screen going. Sicily brother gonna set the camera up here. It'll dupe right into here, and then set it down like that. That way the brother can get some head in there too. Get it a little bit more up. Yeah, that's wonderful. And the brother got him a nice shade spot. The sun's over there. Probably bring it over a little bit more. You got the remote control right there. Just flip that back up there. Once again, getting this thing off. Nice little table to function on. I might as well just have it like that. Wonderful. And the brother's got the big screen over here. The smaller looking up at the camera over there. Anyway, so here's the little Nugents. Just get the nipples going, straighten the nipples up again so this thing comes apart. And it's got one nipple on the other side. Line the nipples up. Now this thing comes apart. If you want to, just kind of tap it. There. Alright. And there's the little piece right here. Like I said, it's got a broke off tab on it, so who the fuck knows what that does. But it really can't it doesn't seem like it really does much, because except for just a holding spot for some odd reason. So here it is, the little black plastic piece that goes up there. It has a little cut. It broke. A little tab was right there. Although the brother still does have the tab though, and could super glue it on there or weld it on if need be. But that'll be a last resort. Now, here's the cam. And here's the on and off button. That would press in and press out. And it would click in and it would click out. So, and this has got a little camshaft, little clip in there. But the brother didn't think to remember which direction it went. Sitting here flipping it. It seems like it only goes in one way though. So, anyway, just gonna sit here and play around with it, examine it. Whatever the fuck happens, it happens. We'll be all caught on video here. But for some reason it had to be jiggled jiggled just right in order to get electric current going through it. Had to be jiggled just right to get electric current going through it. So there's these two copper tabs up inside here. So I can see this is gonna be a bitch. These two copper tabs up inside there, two copper contacts that this hammer hits up into, and that hammer hits up into. Well, whatever the fuck that fucking does. Those ain't really fucking connected to anything. It just seems like those are just springs. These are just being used as springs. Yeah, that's what it is. They're just tension springs. That's all those are. But those are not contacts whatsoever. They're tension springs for these two hammers. There's this metal hammer here, and then there's the plastic hammer. And the plastic hammer can be pushed up, and the metal hammer can be pushed up. Now another thing that happens is this plastic piece inside here, the plastic hammer, it slides back and forth. It can be well, seemed like it did anyway. Fuck it. Anyway, I've seen it slide back and forth. Now, one thing to remember too is that when I was hooking up jumper cables to these fucking wires here to see if I could get it to function, I thought maybe the motor was out. It fucking grounded out on this thing. But even after it grounded out, when it was connected, it would start turning. So, this thing's just straight plastic. So there's this thing, look at that. There's this thing right here, and the metal piece right here seems to touch the back of the plate, which gives it a ground. That's what gives a ground. And it's got spin marks right there where it touches. So it could be that whole plate needs to be sanded and metalled smooth. So I'm gonna go get a piece of emery cloth and sand that fucker. Fuck it, just bring the whole fucking bucket of tools and shit over here. So here's some emery cloth and some fucking wet 400 grit wet sand. This is 500 grit wet sandpaper. There's 500 in there. So oh, look, there's smeg coming off. Nope. It's hard to tell. Anyway, maybe hit it with the rougher shit. This is the emery cloth. Seems to be, yeah, it seems to be rougher. So it does ruffle a bit. and smooth it out with the emery cloth. So there it is. Now it's just a nice piece of nice metal, smooth, fresh surface right there. And like the brother was saying, that doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense that that would have any type of electrical contact for any fucking thing. 'Cause this is just, it's just a push and a pull. But yes, it does. Because the push and the pull is what fucking causes the fucking whole fucking machine to come on and off. So that's the only logical sense that there would be that's contact right there. That's having some type of contact. That little metal piece, that clip, it looks like a clip that holds the whole fucking rod in place, but it's actually part of fucking probably contact. So fucking file that little fucker real good. Cloth that thing up. So like I was saying, this goes into here like this. It fits into the hole like this. And that's what's, oh, there ain't no fucking contact right there at all, fucking all. That metal ain't fucking touching it. The plastic bottoms out before the contact even hits. Because the plastic part's right up in there. There's plastic lips, and then it dips down like castle work. So that thing doesn't even fucking, it doesn't touch at all. And then there's this piece, it slides back and forth, but it doesn't need to, it's like this piece doesn't even fucking need to be there. It's just there as a piece to hold something in spot. Because this thing circles all the way around, even if it turns, it's still just right there. And this thing only moves just a little bit up and down, as though that broken tab piece really doesn't mean shit. And it's on the opposite side of the fucking, oh yeah, but it does something over here, because there are two contacts over here. There are two contacts over here. But when this thing goes together, it seems like those two contacts are just fucking constantly on. So the brother would have to look at it a little bit more. Anyway. So the two hammers, and then there's this other hammer over here up inside there that stays constantly on. Who knows whether the fuck, if this plastic piece needs to be on the other side of it. That might be it. And then the spring loads don't have anything to fucking keep it going. But when they go up, nothing happens. It just hits a fucking rock solid thing. And there's really nothing pressing that thing down from the other fucking side that can be seen. Because, you know, when this whole fucking piece comes out like that, And of course it's connected to the fucking, yeah, this doesn't have to be connected. These can be unconnected. The little motor fucking things can be unconnected. So this whole fucking piece can come out. It can just be set sideways like that. It can stay like that. But this piece right here, wondering what that fucking, it goes up and down, goes up and down. Ah, now that's interesting, or that's curious. Not only does this act like a spring, but this little box right here, this little white box, is where this hammer's connected to. And that sounds like it's a connection point. Because this one's metal too, and when it comes up, it touches that, and this one goes up and down, and has some type of electrical current connection with that, according to the spinning of the cam. This will go up and down. So when this piece is sideways in here and it sits in spot, and this plastic piece is underneath, then the click can be heard when this goes up and down. This moves up and down right here, and the click can be heard. And then press the other bar up into the spring, this metal bar here, press that up into the spring, and there's no click, but let it go free, and there's a click, as though there's contact being. So it seems like that is the proper position right there. So, as far as that goes, so still the question remains, does this have to go in a specific way when it's put in here? All right. It could. It really doesn't seem which fucking way it goes. It only goes one way because there's the flat spot right there when the knob goes on, and it seems irregardless, the cams are gonna push the piano springs up and down no matter where they go, no matter where this is. But it's all just thought for now. All right, now this thing again, wondering if this thing needs to be in a certain position, because it seems like these spaces right here, these are all equal. Same thing with the cams on the side right there. All that shit's equal. So it seems like no matter which way it's turned, although right there it doesn't want to go down. When it's turned right there, you know, lining it up, the spokes to go into those things, there it kind of wants to go down, but it doesn't come out very far at the end. And it seems like it's a bit cockeyed, but who the fuck knows. And then spin it again. Now it still only wants to come out that far, and that doesn't seem far enough. Spin it again, line the spokes up. Now it wants to go all the way in. See that? And it seems like it only goes on one way. So it can't be fucked up. And there's 4 spokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 slots for him to fit into. And they only, it comes up short there. Comes up short there. Comes up short there. And only goes all the way in right there. Wow. For some reason this thing just indented. Oh wow. That's the click. Okay, so now this is being held up against the housing. So the push-pull, it got pushed out. So the push-pull should function now. So how the fuck did that get indented? It seems like it came all the way out. So let's play, this thing needs to be played with to figure out what the fuck. Did that thing just come in and out? It has to push and pull and click in place. And this spins free inside the black housing. The spoke housing spins free. And it's not wanting to fucking click at all. Oh, there it went. Look at that. So there it was. Okay, now, when it's in here, and it only goes in one way, because you just have to keep twisting it till it goes all the way through. And then it pushes. And then this pushes in. So there it is. So it comes in, it goes on, pushes out. And then it pushes in, pushes out, and then has to push in. There it pushes in, pushes out. So now if it's pushed out like that, does it have contact? Or there might be contact with the metal now that it's pushed out. So put it in there and still nothing. There's nothing there. Nothing. Nothing, because the lip, the plastic lips, there's plastic lips there. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a lip right there in the front, the lip. And there's one right there. There's a little nib lip. See, it's like a little tooth. And there's one on the other side. There's 3 of them. There's 3 lips. See, it comes around, it spins. Here comes a little lip, a little one, right there in the front up there. The brother needs a pointer to really point it out good. So here's the pointer. Okay, here's the big lip. It runs all the way across from there to there. There's the edge, one side of it, and there's the other edge. So it's just 1/8 of an inch right there. And then as it spins, here comes another one, but it's a smaller one. It's smaller. It's only 1/16 of an inch. Then as it comes around again, there's another one over here. Well, let's see here. Yeah, one on this side, and then one on this side. Over right there. It's really hard to fucking see it on the fucking camera. really, this fucking camera just, the other camera, the military camera, has fucking zoom in and out, but it doesn't have a full screen to be able to watch the fucking video screen up here on the fucking military camera. Alright, so knowing when this goes in, for some reason it only, I see. So as it spins, well, that could be it. Goes on one way. And it pushes out. Okay, so this is, the plastic is pressing up against the housing. So now this thing should push in and out. There it goes. Now the push and pull is functioning. All right, so as this fits into the hole here, and this flag goes all the way out. Look at that. That would be the reason for that broken tab piece. That might be the reason. So as it's pressed, held in spot, like this. There it goes. And there it goes. So that causes this little flag fucker right here to go up and down. That's what's causing it. So we should be able to see that little flag fucking piece go up and down now. This little black flag, it should go up and down like this. Because it's just like the motor, the centrifugal switch on the motor, the fucking 110 volt motor. It's got a clutch arm that's connected to a circular. This fucker wants to fucking fall out and fucking say fucking adios. Hold on. There. So yeah. So when this goes in, this right here, so the flag should be able to be seen going up and down as this thing is pressed in and out. Let's see here. Okay, it's pressed in. Pull it out. Why doesn't want to fucking pull out? It's supposed to fucking pull. It seems like that's how it would function. Let's see here. Hold on. Fucking bucket out of the fucking way. This fucking emery cloths out of the fucking way. Get my fucking table up here. Now, this thing's supposed to that time it fucking went, wow. Pull. Wow. Maybe it wasn't in all the fucking way. That might be it. I just saw it totally fucking depressed all the way fucking in now so that one can see the fucking white white fucking parts of the fucking cam. See all these white fucking spokes right here? And this thing went all the way and pressed all the way fucking in. It went way too fucking far in there, and it fucking pushed this whole fucking thing cockeyed. Wow. That's some wild shit. Okay, so push it in. Push it in, it flows freely. Okay, it's in there. But now it doesn't want to go all the way in, but it pulls out. Okay, so, now it's pressing against the metal. It should be pressing against the flag thing. That's the only way for that thing to go in and out, because it's pressing against the fucking flag. Otherwise, this thing, now it fucking went all the way fucking in. Look at that. It went all the way fucking in. See that? Everything's protruding. And that might be what the fucking flag hits. So, that's what the flag hits. So that might be what it needed. Okay, so the flag goes up and down, and this is all the way in, and it's protruded. This seems to be all the way flat against there. Now this thing should push and pull, because it's just as though the case was there. Look at that. That might be the answer right there. Now, does it cause the flag to go up and down? Yes. The flag does fucking go up and down. Look at that. So that little fucking piece that broke off is probably necessary. That's probably the whole fucking thing right there. So that piece was saved. It's somewhere at the bottom of the fucking bucket. So look at that. The flag's going up and down. Look at that. That might be the whole fucking answer right there. And when that flag's going up and down, that's probably what's pushing this, it's on the very end, these contact points right here on the very fucking end. And if the military camo was able to be hooked up, it would be able to be seen. So that piece is there, I'm holding it in. Those contacts right there. Get a close-up on that. There. So that right there, that's the on and off switch more than likely for the whole fucking machine right there. For pushing and pulling the fucking button. On, off. Push it in, it goes click, 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 click to turn it, and then pull it out. Pull it out. Okay, click it in, everything is off. Everything is off. And then pull it out, the flag drops. Poof, the contacts drop. So that turns it off, that turns it on. A whole fucking machine, that fucking last one right there. That is the main on and off switch, more than likely. So, now, up is off. So up would be off. Okay, so here's the whole fucking thing right now again. Up would be off. off. It pushes the fucking, yeah, that's right, the whole fucking machine. Every time you put the fucking lid up against the fucking button, just be washing and all of a sudden just accidentally, the lid easily presses up against it, shuts the whole fucking machine off. Then when it's pulled out, it drops. Up, off. Okay, so off, up is off. Hold on, up is off. Hey, yeah, get this just right. You gotta hold it. Up is off. Fuck. Gotta be able to hold that thing just fucking right. Because it's protruding through the back and hitting the fucking thumb. I just need to be able to hold that plastic piece with the fucking thumbnail right there on the edge so the metal axle can fucking go through. So holding everything together. Up. Up was off. That's right. In and up. In and up is off. So it's in and up. In and up is off. Pull and out. Pull. Pull is down. In and up. In goes up. In goes up. In and up is off. In, up is off. That shit needs to be fucking written down. That's 3 fucking functions all in one fucking thing. In, up is off. Gotta go get a fucking piece of paper now. 3 fucking functions all in fucking one. In, up. So, or another thing, the brother can see if he can fucking order that fucking piece on the fucking eBay. Probably only fucking 50 fucking cents. It's just a little fucking plastic piece. All right, so in, push the button in. This would be the washer button. In, and then the flag goes up. The flag, the flag goes up, and then the, what was it? In, up, and on. No, in, up, and off. Because the washer button, and then pull out, then have it over here on the other side, out. So this is actually push in, and then pull out, and the flag goes down, and the machine turns on. So machine on. All right, machine on. So here it is, right there. It's fucking see-through fucking paper, fucking seeing shit on the other side of the fucking. Can't really hold on. Fuck. It's always fucking one thing or a fucking another. Shit. Alright, hold on. Now you can't see through the fucking piece of paper. Put it up against a fucking piece of fucking box or wood. In, up is off. Out, down is on. And that's the flag goes down. So hold on. That's the flag. Flag goes down. And it's a fucking black flag too. Does that sound like fucking Skull and Bones fucking idea to put that all fucking together? That thing's shaped just like a fucking flag. When the flag goes down, the fucking battleship, the fucking battle fucking cannons are loaded for on position to fucking shoot fucking something down. When the flag goes up, everything's off because you want to put on a public persona for the fucking citizens. Every time the flag's up, no one, you know, it's the acting game. So when the flag goes up, the acting game comes on. When the flag goes fucking down, yeah, that's called fucking hide mode, and the battle's on. You can see how the fucking maritime system is all built into the manufacturing of the fucking all the fucking equipment. It's all based around that, all of it. That is some fucking funny ass shit. Anyway. So, now, hold on. Now, I'm gonna go over it once more. Go over it once more. Okay. If that tab is sitting above it, maybe the connection, maybe when, okay, when the, so it's gonna be have to be a matter. Okay, I see. So the brother can put this thing back together, and he can look in there, and he can kind of see what would be going on. More than likely, it might be sitting above. You see, if it's sitting above, it would come down. And it might have it come down. Nah, it would have to be always pressure going up. There's no down pressure on that thing. It's all up pressure. It's all up pressure. So that solves that problem right there. So when this thing is pressed, when this thing is pressed, the flag comes out, the flag goes down. When it's pressed in, it's all up pressure. That thing's gonna go up, the flag's gonna pop up. It's all up pressure. And then that just releases the up pressure. So the springs are already loaded. The springs are already loaded to stay open. They're sprung open, and it needs up pressure to connect them. Okay, so up pressure, that's the connection. So that's a fourth thing that needs to be added. The connection, the up pressure. And that's the connection right there, the electrical connection. For the spring-load contacts, they're spring-loaded contacts. The spring-loaded contact. So that would be the points. So now I gotta get the fucking box. So there it is right there. That's the whole fucking code for how that fucking thing functions. Brother just broke the fucking code. Figured out the code. So when it's pushed in, the spring-loaded contacts are connected and the flag goes up when it's pushed in, which shuts the whole fucking machine off. So it's actually 4 functions in one. 4 functions in one. 4 things are going on at one time. And the 4th thing is the springs. The 4th thing is the washing machine is in, up, off. And the 4th thing is the spring on the the wheel, the fucking wheel. This wheel is in, up, off. The push-pull knob, the whole fucking push-pull knob is in, up, off. 3 functions. And then the 4th function is the contact on the fucking piano keys. These are the valve springs with the cams, the valve springs. These are what run the fucking automatic pianos. These are how automatic pianos are run right here. The turn wheel fucking automatic, the old fucking, you get monkeys, back in the old days they had monkeys turn the fucking piano handle. This is exactly the same fucking military technology right here. This is the 4th function, the piano keys right here, contacting with the, you know, wherever the cam is at. So there's 4 functions in one. So it's 1, 2, 3. So this one's 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. And this whole thing right here is 4. So when the flag goes down, the electric connection springs, spring-loaded contacts. Whoops, this goes over here. Spring-loaded contacts. Open, or they relax. There's no more spring load on them. They're relaxed, which they're open. So all that right there is circle point number 4. That's the 4th function. Pull out is function 1. The flag goes down is function 2. The machine comes on with function 3. And all those happen on one side of the wheel. And that's going to be on the push-pull knob side of the wheel. So put happens on one wheel side. Which is the push-pull knob. Push-pull knob side. And that's the same as this one over here. This does the exact same thing. And then there's these 2 over here. It happens on the back of the timer. The back side. So there's the front side and the back side. The back side timer. The backside timer plate where the black flag is at. Where the black flag is in the back, hidden in the back, the black flag. It's a plastic flag too, the black plastic flag. Wow. Alright, so that's... So, now, the brother has to pull out all these fucking tools out of the bucket to, cause that little broken black plastic piece is in the bottom of this fucking bucket of fucking tools. Anyway, that's 1 hour for this video. Well, no, we got 10 more minutes. So, all right, so the brother's gonna get all the fucking tools and shit out of the fucking bucket so he can locate the fucking broken black fucking plastic fucking piece. Get all these fucking tools out of here. There's a bunch of fucking dirt and shit all over the fucking bottom of this thing. And it's just a small ass tiny little fucking piece of fucking black plastic. It's tiny, small as fuck. There it is. Oh. Hold on. Hopefully the brother fucking... Pretty sure the brother fucking dropped it in the fucking bucket so it wouldn't get fucking lost. Pretty fucking sure. Never fucking know. Fucking robot fucking controlled with all kinds of other different fucking shit going on. Ah, here's the top fucking white piece that goes on top of the fucking timer fucking thing that got fucking shorted out. Don't really need that on there, but it's nice to have it on. I guess it helps to fucking protect. I don't fucking see the little fucking black plastic piece in here. Oh, what a bunch of fucking shit. It's not fucking in there. So now the brother needs to manufacture something to put in there. Fucking, I mean, that's really what it comes down to. The brother is gonna have to manufacture something, some type of tab. Ah, fuck. I think the brother just said fuck that. I don't think the brother fucking said fuck it. I think he fucking put that fucking piece of shit in here. What's fucking not in here? Unless it got somehow fucking pulling fucking tools in and out of this fucking piece of shit fucking bucket. It accidentally got fucking pulled out, dropped on the fucking floor somewhere. Unless it's in here. Don't see it in here. Oh, these are the fucking... I gotta put these... now I gotta pull the fucking motor off and I gotta put the fucking rubber fucking grommets on the fucking motor. Oh, Jesus, fuck. I tell you, fucking shit, if it ain't fucking one thing, it's a fucking another. Oh well, that's just the way it fucking goes. And it's kind of a fucked up, smelly ass fucking washer fucking society. It's a big fucking cluster fuck. Ah, fuck. So I'll pull these fucking things out. Gotta have these on here because these are fucking thick ass rubber that absorb the fucking vibration between the metal fucking contact. Otherwise the fucking motor will fucking just vibrate the fucking shit out of all the fucking metal in there. And eventually something will fucking break. These are like springs, little fucking rubber ass fucking springs. It's like the bushings in a fucking motor. When they put a fucking motor in a car, they use hard ass fucking rubber to connect the engine to the fucking the engine to the fucking frame of the fucking car. Otherwise, all the vibration from that motor, if it was bolted down straight to the fucking frame, it would fucking, all the vibrations would break the fucking metal eventually. The whole fucking metal frame would fucking just break. It would fucking just snap. So these gotta be fucking in there. Anyway, that's good enough for now. Later.